Khubor baro syakitup Khubor ke Donbosco Media Network kimat bekong san mentah ke Shillong ringkat ki umat ketang latep ia ke kami pat ikun halang tor ailat ke MECL da ke OTS ia ki bala syaot ding elektrik keli UMLE Maulai halor ke Engineering College Maulai kinton masar bad jatai ki MLA hayeng dorbar bajor ke jingyap tram ki dingkwai bak tu mentang ia pai syaki Khubor ki babenya Yakimet yap kakong dari shaling do kinshi bat ikun bedang arbenai balalap na kajaka penlang haka step jong ka arterik LBER halang tor latep dan buram haka sauterik hapading ke jingyam ketang na kaliang ki bahayeng hasem bat ki parasno kumban pen ken mau ki bahayeng kila pen pau ba kim nget ba kakong dari sha kan shim hiala ka jong ke jingim bat kumjuru ya ke jingim jong ikun jong ka ibedang arbenai ka karta Kilapan paru ia kejing sumbajor badan kirius niu ki balali ia kini ke kamrunar ban shim ia kejing im jong kini kibriu kani kejing ja kalapan par nyang kriat bat pen smiet da kejing tiang ia kesnong lang tor hi barok kowe shwaban tep ia kamet jong kani ka kemi bat ikun lapen long ru ia kejing le nyam dai kinong yalam ka balang presbyterian balayo ru jingkren da ukni bat kumju uba arling do usor dar kalang tor ki balapen pau ya kejing sngosi bat kejing pangnut halor kejing yap ka kemi bat ikun jongka latep yaki halom jing tep ka balang presbyterian halang tor
dengan 4 hamlam menu ru ya kejing jia ka bab kendit ka bab kum kene kejing jia ka balong ka bab ngemla mundur ngemla sempang balai kalong kumni dan rela kalong kum taru ngasnyo ban ai kublei ya pi wei barok ki bedon hakane ka por na kaliang joki bahi yang sam jong i dari balaklat no pani kun bat ki wa perlok ki parajor ki ba najan bat ki ba najai ru khabagi osngeu kene Khubor ki baliawan ban ai man siam lem ban yesyo sunai lem ya kene ke jing mat jong ke sekri ke jong play ya kene ke jing cia kabala eno no sedin ya la ke jong ki bahi yang asam ya la ke jong ki men bat ki para ya ki mena mesan bakum ta ter ke jing yawan lang jong ki kap ai jing yarap bat kepentingan ru ya ki kum ki bahi yang asam kum ju ru na kabanta ke Shillong ke bali tu ke jeng ai bat no senyang ke bakrau cibus lemaringi ngam don hang ne Shillong hagas ngi jong belai onda ngalawan pai le ke jeng sang sinot ngedang poi hang thi hapo se ko long kalawan ke phun ban yutu yang ya ke ne ka jing chia te ngalamut kum nur sola long kala ke pala sabi ba kayeng don te ngala sule le kali no so ban menin mestep ngalawan ban ye penbek ye ki kam ki jam ki bedai ka kan ka kam da ka komiti balang ban hagani ka jingi kendu lang jengi pastot mensan bar kirang ba balang ban perkhat ye kan ka kam ka ba ji ka ni Kawai ka ba kham ko san ka ba ngi le kalong ngi la pelong jing dawai kerpang na ka pasaka ying joy kong dari ya ga ne jing jia bol jirum ni na ka banta jo pi ka ba hiang sam ba u blei on ai bo da ka ba nga u hian yalam ngila so thu ba ka long ba shisha nrei hakmat jingi kibriu ko ka ba Hakmat jong ublay bat la ka jong syukri bat ini kun berakrit ula ban bat yalam ya kalanti ka bagi day ban yai nang ni siklat komta hadin bangila dap pan pelong jiruai singla ya late no ba nomar ba ka met jong ki gadang don te Shillong dan la poi hang thi onda ha magala ya pun nga so thu ba kilas dang ban mi no nang te tena chu ngam nom tu ban ngelewan mata kum ni
Haka Sautrik LBER Menteri Rangba ke Jylla u Konrad ke Sangma ringkat Menteri ki kam boarding electric u Abu Mandal kila pentrei kam ya ke scheme ka belatip kum ka one time settlement scheme OTS lingba ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited. Haka Jylla ka bala penyat da usong konor jong ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited u Sanjay Goyal IAS na don ringkat langru ki head officer jong ka tenat ki kam boarding. Lingba ko OTS scheme kitu kinong song ke Jylla kiba omla syu ban siu ya ka buy boarding electric ka balalang la bun benai bat kibla sha ot no ru ya ka ding boarding menta kin la ban siu kindiat da ka basiu shwa 20% bat hadien sa 100% hakisan installment kin yo alat biang ban pinpur electric hayeng hasem ya ka sut ka balalang ru an samap no kani ka one time settlement scheme kan penrei kam tang hadu kalai pwe tri LBER hajar apusan haka baki nong song ke Jylla ki bala sha ot ka boarding electric kila ban apply ling baki office tri kam jongkat nat boarding ki badan haka lengkish nong hakani ke Jylla hakani kasngi u Konrad ke Sangma ula pelat pat baru ya ki hinriu tali ki kali jingking kren ki balashna kirpang na ka benta ki nong trei jongkat nat boarding ki bahap bandechna ni maramat habadan ke jingdu boarding hakanu kono ke jaka bat khamtam ban kieu haki post electric menta kim dan kam shu ban ra jingking hendrekin pindan kam dakini ki kali bat kumba kalong menta ka jing thiet yakini ki kali kadang long tang ke jing sedang bat haki benai banwan ke MEECL kan sathiet shu na ka bentai ki jing dan kam haki we ki district ke Jylla
TS program, that is one-time settlement program for our smaller consumers. If you recall, we had come out with an OTS for larger consumers. We felt that there is a need to give this option to even the smallest consumer of ours and the common man, and to be able to help and support and give them an opportunity to clear the dues that are pending and unnecessary creating financial burden on them. With that objective, we started the OTS program of 2025, especially for our BPL consumers. Through this program, we are writing off all the surcharges that are there. And apart from writing off the surcharges, the principal amount that is there, only 40% has to be paid as down payment, and the rest of the 60% can be paid in installments, which will again be interest free, so that there's no more interest and surcharges that pile up in the future. So this is a program that is going to affect almost 45,000 consumers in the state, and the consumers will get a support of close to about 26 crores of amount will be waived off for this 45,000 consumers, and the total dues that are there is about 119 crores. And as I said, that we urge our consumers to come forward and take advantage of this so that we can clean the slate once and for all and start off fresh. And this is a great opportunity, as I said, for the consumers, as we'll be waiving off the late payment charges. The second program that we're having today is the flagging off of the maintenance vehicles. This is being done again in a process to make the entire maintenance and the services more efficient under the MECL. In the past, similar maintenance work used to be done by taking ladders, and the vehicles used to then carry the manpower and the ladders, and on that basis the ladder is used to rectify the lines, which could be a great inconvenience because sometimes the ladder would be short, and it could also be a danger for the people who are working as linesmen because the location could be slippery in very difficult situations. So keeping all of that in mind, we have modernized our maintenance program, and we have started with a fleet of few vehicles where these maintenance vehicles are powered hydraulically, which will allow the maintenance to be done in a much more faster and much more efficient way. We are starting with few vehicles as a pilot project, and very slowly we will expand this fleet into different parts of the state, in especially the rural areas and all the district headquarters, so that we are able to create and have a better uptime and the maintenance can be done in a much more faster manner, and the safety and security of a linesman also can be kept in mind.
Uba Bright Star Will Marbanyang UMLE na maulay hakasngi baar ulawan ra hayeng dorbar banyatay halor ka jing pinbit pinbyang ya ka Shillong Government College of Engineering hamaulay kintan masar kabalapli da umintri rangba men haka khatn retrik kalalingkot arhajar arpulay. Bat haba jubab halor kani ka jingkali umintri katnat puli puthi urakam e sangma ula pentip ba ka jingpin biang ya ka bat ka boarding electric kiladap bat menta kidang penkre ban pendap ya kisan pusan teli ki kam ulo angru ba menta ka sarkar kadang ap satang ya ka jingbit na ka All India Council for Technical Education AICTE
engineering for a period of 3 years. Sir, number 7, sir, on 26 2024, Shillong Government College Engineering has applied for All India Council of Technical Approval to start 2 technical courses, this is Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering. And subsequently to AICTE committee were held on 22nd, 1/25 and 4/2/2025. Experts from AICTE have advised the college authority to comply of some of the building deficiency in which are being addressed.
Your supplementary question, please.
May I know from the Minister in charge, Education, whether the above 55 posts created have been advertised or not? If yes, when? And if no, why?
CPS, sir? Not yet, sir.
May I know the reason?
Sir, as I have already replied, we are waiting for the approval of the AICTE first.
As you have pointed out with regards to the AICTE expert inspection, where they have pointed out some infrastructure deficiencies. So, what are the infrastructure deficiencies pointed out by the expert from AICTE? Whether these deficiencies they are major or minor in nature?
Speaker, sir, AICTE observation is about the building, some building rooms. I mean, mainly of the administrative blocks, and which are being addressed now.
Why I'm asking, because I don't know whether the government, while constructing this building, have they gone through the AICTE guidelines? Because as far as my knowledge is concerned, before building any building, whether classroom or laboratory or whatever, you have to follow certain guidelines. I just want to know whether the government, before constructing this building, have consulted or have followed the guidelines of AICTE, where they have to make some adjustment later on.
Speaker, sir, sometimes AICTE norms for infrastructure and faculty are updating every year to come up with a changing trend of technology. So in this case, sir, the observation of the ICT is being addressed, and we are expecting to see the light of the day at the very earliest, sir.
Kajing yap tram kidieng kwai hakeleng kabri kiling kha jong kinong rep hadu ki bana ki lum khasi penar hadu lum garu kalakta ya kilat kamai kaji jong ki pho hajar tali kilong yeng long sem bon ngut ki MLA kham tam na kishnong khaput kilawan ra ya kani ka phang ha ka jinga tai hayeng darbar thau an ki Jylla ha ka sngi baar bat haba jubab halor ka jingkali ka balawan ra dau MLA ka dadang gre rupa marak Kementri Karep Karyang Kakong Amperin Lingdo Kalaya Thu Baha Kajingwat Benya House Nem Arhajar Arpuwe Arhajar Arpuar Lalap Bakani Kajing Yap Tram Ki Dingkwai Kalakta Yaki Pratali Ki District Jong Khuborjylla Kementri Kalaya Thu Ru Baka Sorkar Kala Shimkia Ban Pej Bakani Kajing Ja Kan Kata Yaki Nong Rep Ba Im Jakpo Nakani Kakam Kalau ongru baka sarkar kelamang kumbahan real point pra kulur bansam shekilai hajar sangut kinong rep kwai kibla shakta hakarep karyang kanang makin la bantung de kiwe bat ki marrep kibla banwan ra jingmentoi kham kloi.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to start question 18. A, yes, sir. B, sir, the steps taken to control the disease are as follows. 1. Farmers are being sensitized on the bud rot disease and its control measures, including burning the affected plants, crop diversification, and good sanitation in plantation area. 2. Further, since the bud rot disease occurs at other places as well, the Directorate of Horticulture has collaborated with the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, the Krishi Vigyan Kendras, the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, and the Central Plantation Crop Research Institute, Kahikuchi, Assam, and Kasargod, Kerala, based on the findings, the recommendations of the experts is in an advisory leaflet with preventive and remedial measures relating to diseases to be distributed to farmers of the areca nut, and this has been prepared in Khasi Garu as well. C. So the total number of farmers affected till date at the Dadangre CNRD block is 209, at the Rongram CNRD block is 467, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Minister in charge of Agriculture for the reply. Since this disease is spreading like a wildfire, even in my constituency, which falls under Dadangre CNRD block, so it has devastated the farmers under my constituency. So may I know from the Minister in charge, what exactly is the cause of this disease?
So, bud rot is a fatal disease that affects the areca nut plants and is caused by the fungus called Phytophthora. It's characterized by the rotting of the growing bud. In the diagnostic field visit conducted in Meghalaya, it reported that the symptoms were topical of Phytophthora, crown rot and bud rot. The microscopic examination of the infected tissues also confirmed the presence of the same fungus. Sir, in the surveys of 21-22, up to around 8 districts have been affected and approximately 1968 hectares. That means about 10% of the areca nut plantations seem to be affected by this disease.
Your next supplementary question.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I know through you from the Honorable
UMLA ka amlarem uba lakimen rimbui hakasingi baar ulabu jingkli ya ka sarkar lanu ki kali he kin ya no anak jingking omyam Shillong. Bat haka jubab halor kani ke jingkali usembut menteri rangba uba preston tensang uloong hadien ke jing bishar ke babnya larai ban sha tangye ki kali bajrong hapo r.prapo mitar bat hapo khandai ton ke jingkia ban yat lingba kani ke jingking ulaya thu ru menda ke jingpen kre ya ka kaipot basani ke detail project report na ka benta ban shna ya ka surok saulin na omyam khwan barapani Shillong da ke NHIDCL kadang ya chaprang.
And the total length of this road is about 23 kilometers connecting to Umroi Airport. The mission of this project is more or less to be completed by the end of this year. And once this is completed, because this road is intermediate lane approach, and once this is completed, sir, I'm very sure, like night super and even the heavy trucks can fly through this approach, new approach route, which we already under construction and to be completed within this year. So this is one part, and then the second one is even the the other initiative that we have taken. In fact, we do have even that road Maudiang, which connects again the Shillong bypass. Though the distance is little more, but people can even use that approach, coming to Shillong or going out of Shillong, to prevent of going through the Umyam bridge.
So I'm very glad with the initiative of the government that it will try to get, because as of now, sir, we know the distance from here to Umyam is only about 20 kilometers, but as of now, sir, the people who transport the goods from outside the state, via dam side, they have to pass travel 80 kilometers to reach Shillong, because from Umyam to Maurungkeneng is 50 kilometers, and from Maurungkeneng to here is 30 kilometers, it's 80 kilometers. This brought a hardship to the people. It's time consuming. More importantly, it costs for the economic activities of the people, because the goods which was supposed to sell at 10 rupees, due to the extra cost borne by the transporter, they sell at 11 rupees, so on and so forth. So I request the government to kindly look into this, so that as early as possible, so that it will ease the consumer of the state, because Shillong is the economic hub of the state of Meghalaya.
Kasurok PMGSY na sangrang shading yang kajaka jungok ka ya kadolen nong nong knum be itiang bat be internet ha West Khasi Hills kalajat rathai ba kalapin so sat omtang ni ki nong wan jungok kai perthai Henry wat ki traish nong nakate kathan ki bayat man kasngi ban be shala ki kam ki jam Kinong yalam kaseng Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP Grita nong krum circle haka sautrik LBER kilay kendo ya u executive engineer ka PWD road nongston ban kirpat bat dawa ban pinbhano yakani kasurong la kirpat ru ban pinyo surok sa kumbalay kilometer nakasnong sangrang ban poy siya kakshat langsyang bat kakshat waspi kinong yalam kani kaseng kila kirpat ru ya Khuborjylla ka PWD ban pinbhano ya kasurok kabalar imbha nong klaw Shabirki ke berjalan ke bapra kilometer ia. Kini ke surat keladan mentala South Post Nemtam ke berpenyeso ya ke West Khasi Hills bot ke South West Khasi Hills District lingba bonteli kishnong hakini ki arteli ki district. Kini ke surat kelajat hadu kata-kata nama la bun snem amsham lama ramot syu ya ka.
Wat na sebab yang diri juga berteru tiawan nam pekai akan mereka dah orang kelum. Mereka bersosi kalau ba ya iba kani kasurok ka jinjot ka ba lapalat ka jing stil jong kani kasurok pada ron ka jing siang rong na do bensua kai ya iba minta kala stil kai kerpat ini na kerpat ya engineer ba la kuno ba berbahagia kata kasurok mar kalau kajing ran kan tam yang ni kadang katan ba apakiwan kibri ban shabar kalau kajing ran ya kadang katan kajong ni badu kalau kajing ran yuru pada kasokar Meghalaya jong badu ni layo ru ban ya kran ban ajing tho akadai bat ka surok ka ba nasarian sha langchang ka badai ki atli chat tibe itilat ha kani kadang katan kajong ni ka ksha langchang bat ka ksha WSP te yo I ban siam ba ha kani ki jakaru badai ki jaka jungok kai perthai yo I ba ki babun ki breu ki wan ban pekai kini ki atli ki ksha helai ka ba isosot kalau ba watang ki dentiru 4 don ki surok babian padya sikuntang ila kan tujur la kundo ya kasorkar ba kadai pantau kilat klempi ban pembah ban penpoy ya kisrok ha kidai ki adli ki jaka khnang ba kalau ka jingmentoy ya kinong chong ba di kinong juo kai pathai baru kalau ka burom ya kasorkar Meghalaya lada niyo ya kisrok ki babian bat kini ki adli ki chat kajingjingan la kumno lai kilometer tam ne duna ni su anta
UMLA kamauring kineng uba HS Kharpran hakasingi baar ulawan ra da ka call attention halor ka jingja jong we urangba nala yeng sa na so ringkham maukan ro na du ka shitarik unai weng ahjar arpsa bat haba jubab halor kani ka jingkali usembut menteri rangba uba preston tensang ula pentip bagi pulit hadin balayo jingtip kila penlong ya ka jingwat ya utai urangba keleng-keleng wat cedu kiwe ki jelaru Henry haduk menta ompat lap din trai setia ya uni urangba
Khapran MLA, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I rise today to call the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Department. According to 54(1) of the rules of the procedure and conduct of business of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, to bring the attention of this August House on a matter of significant importance concerning the newspaper report published in local newspaper Khubor on the 12th November 2024, which stated Jarngai uba kasabok kharbuli na yengsta na sorangham. So Mr. Kasabok Kharbuli is the resident of Sorangham, age 45. He has been missing since 1st November 2024 at around 8:30 morning. So he is 5 feet tall, dark complexion, and mentally unstable, tracksuit with white slippers. The Superintendent of Police that time, Shri S. Nongtinger, has circulated the news through media outlets to trace about his whereabouts. So, and also he has given the number in the control room, and also to report to the in charge of Sorangham Police Outpost. So, despite a passage of several months, 4 months more, still there is no information on his whereabouts. This has caused immense distress and worry to his family and also the entire village community. Sir, this prolonged disappearance raises serious concerns about the public safety and also the efficiency of the investigative mechanism. This lack of progress in this case has added the suffering to his family and also creates fear among the people. So I would like to make some submission to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukonrat ke sangma kumju usembut Menteri Rangba uba singau bahalang dhar hakasingi baar kila pensyai haduk menta kapisa ars pak klor tam kabdei na kabenta ban shim jaka ban shna ya kalintira lah ke Jylla kampat ki satya bat kadang dan haka office jong ke DC Ribhai district ya kani ke jubab kila ai halor ke jingkeli balawan ra dau MLA ke Shillong not katau ba Edelbert nangrum haki kenta jingkeli na yeng darbar tau an ke Jylla Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru baya kani kapisa kimpat la ban pendankam hadian baladan kejing persyai na kipat ba banwan ra ikalintiral ha Meghalaya
7 to 8 years. Simple as that.
Thank you for the reply, Honorable Chief Minister. I would like to know, since the time 2017 has been alerted this sanction, so may I know how much you had put on the effort to acquire land. So far, how much land has been acquired?
So no land has been acquired. That's the whole point, sir. Because as I said, there is a very strong resistance. We have been speaking to many stakeholders, officially, unofficially, discussing this. But since it is a very sensitive matter, hence government did not go ahead with any land acquisition. The money is lying with the DC. The entire amount is intact, and as I said, now the government of India has asked us to refund the money.
U Dr. Mizanur Kazi MLA Karaja Bala ula ud hayeng darbar halor ka jingshlei ki jakari thor hawes garu hills ka bajam man la ka porliur halor kini ka jingshitom ki brio na ka jingshlei u Dr. Kazi ula kwa ban tip shai ayu ka sarkar jila ka thmu ban le banya da ya ki brio ba ya karep karyang na kani ka jingshlei balin shop man lausnem Bat haba jubab ya kini ke jingkali menteri rangba u Konrad ke sangma ulayathu baka sarkar kala penkre ya ka kai phot basani bha ka detail project report ban yada na ke jingtwa khando baka umba ka penjulor na ka jingwan tur ka wa Brahmaputra bat na ka jingshlei ha ka porliur na ka jingwan na ka wa Jinjiram Hawes Garu Hills district.
As you all know, this is a recurrent phenomena in the plain belts of Garu Hills. So, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, sir, when is the DPR likely to be completed and when exactly the actual groundwork is likely to be started?
Yes, sir. This work is being carried out by the Brahmaputra board. And as mentioned, sir, the detailed project report is under preparation. And since there are multiple agencies that are involved in getting this project through, the process is not possible for us to give a detailed or a specific timeline. As I said, because the Brahmaputra board, Government of India and state government, all three agencies are working together. But so we are trying to push so that the work can start at the earliest. But the DPR is under preparation as of now.
Speaker, sir, there is one more embankment, that is Kolongini embankment, 8.6 kilometer under the Rongai Valley project. What is the status of that, sir?
So that particular report is not here with me as of now, sir. I will require notice for that.
Speaker, sir, what is the status of Rongai Valley medium irrigation project, the amount sanctioned and utilized so far, and the expected date of completion of the project?
So this detail of this particular project also, as I said, is not currently available with me. The only, as I said, the project that is there that we have started working towards, the DPR project, is the one that I've mentioned about right now, sir.
Speaker, sir, what is the level of coordination that exists between different government departments like water resources, PWD?
Ki nongyalam ko all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA kala ut persha ya ki kattu kat ningut ki pulit traffic ki bepenyat bat pet ya ka jing penyang ya ki kali ha ki parking lot ni harut surak bom dan jing mana ban penyang kali ha ki surak ka than kendai lat bagi pendat kenap tham ya ki kali ki bayang ha ki jaka ki bom dan kenu ka jing mana bat kani ka jing le jong ki pulit traffic kala bu ya ki nongnya kali tourist ha ki jing bat jing kut lat ka babon haki babon haka kamai ka ji jongki kila udru badan ki pulit ki balik Shillong khamat ki don ki kali ki bayang haka ju ka jaka ki pendat knap tham kat baya ki wei ki ba ai pisaya ki phai da kaling kedong bat kim shim la le ai bat kum kini ki jingle jongki pulit ki kinrei haka surak hakamat ka hotel Vivanta bat haki surak ka kendailat ki pulit traffic ke Shillong ki kamyo jingmendoi na ki kali tourist Assam bat ki ailat ya ki bekin yang haka nu ka jaka kat bakiman kat ba ya ki kali na Meghalaya ki pendik lai pojat kilakeno uba rikal Dennis Dotling unong yalam ke AKMTTA ulakeno ya ka jingle jeng ki pulit traffic Shillong kam deshu ka kam ka barang thamai Henry kilakirni la bon snementa banle Shillong khamat ya ki kali Meghalaya kat ba ki kham iet bat ya dei jingmut bat kinongnya ya ki kali na Assam kumta haka sautrik LBER arhajar apusan kinong yalam ke AKMTTA kila uot bat ujor sha Superintendent of Police Traffic haka baydai bat kejingja haki parking hakendailat Superintendent ula kular ban shimkhya yakini ke jing uot bat jing ujor bat untau daka committee ban penbet yakini ki jaka yang kali
yang baydai untuk police jak nam tak ki kali terus taksi ki badehi na ke Jylla jungi hadin ke mestep ke ba kila yang ban tep senjata ke po banta hadin ke ba hashing dai bgm tu kemut kilawan ban kelam no lawan ban kelam ni be no la tu jaka ba mensua pi hi ke don koi ke parking ba ladan we ya sen ba tang tu ban punya parking te mentah kini ki perdok pasan ni perdrival hi ke lawan itu ban bu ya ki kali ban tap passenger re pasting kena ki kini polisi ke lawan be kile ban kelam ki ti onda kelami nak tu jaka ro kolong ba ni pinyo snow shu SP ba lagi lami tu jaka anda kelak leci tiga jaka badan stis kendong ko siti hat dara ki tu lenti teter tu banyo banyeng no ban kapnya to pring sor jongga polis bejat ndri ndak kelak yang tiga jaka ro hadu mentamne du mentamne kadang kadang di klam ti la tapi kwa sebut kidan kini dimangan PDV kidan kini pai ke bajalong ni pai kani kedika kani ketika saki sebut betul baik kani ke ifi kalong pok vivan tamo sibji seneng ki kali asam ki yo benyengkat bemen ngan sapa ifi ni video sibji seneng kin ki yo kat bemen kat ba ke kali asam kani ke cakap vivan ta kali mikali apan rush tank kita gym step kila sabe baik kila benon kelam baik kat ba kini kali asam pe kulit udon tu udon lang ki kali asam ki kimbe ya ki te sakwe kalong kani pe ma pi ka dos video ni ini di sekitar ki bangiyo pan lemah kani kadi pok vivanta ka baca yang kali asam syawan kelam pendanya ada yang kali kini pok vivanta ka itu ada yang kali asam mentah ka iga bajai kali ML jadi kan ada yang kali ML kan sapa sbi gini video tingiwan halor kani kam jin nama pengisak kelam baik kali jadi travel jadi tak kadang ngiwan sendiri SP te ni ula ini bangin sa form eta committee ke baidi hapeng jomen ka traffic apro ko ke Shillong
Kito mentan kilalong ki Khubor ki bawan japi NAKA Don Bosco Media Network.